from Greensboro is now on the flight. Woo! We've been awake since 1:30 in the morning, drove all the way here, and now we're on the first itty bitty plane. It's really cute. I like it. So
It's empty.
it is empty. We're gonna take a nap. So
it's 4:30 in the morning, and I'm here in the Bristol airport, or Tri-Cities airport, and getting ready to board first flight, first leg to Charlotte. So I guess it's time to let the adventure begin.
Made it to Seattle. Seth was going to meet us here. He had about a 30-minute window, but he had to abort because he lost his ticket. So we'll be catching up with him in Alaska, I guess. Here's our first moose. Okay, maybe not quite as exciting as a real thing. But we made it. We're about to go see if we can meet Tanner, Katie, and Adam as they hit the ground, and then run and catch Seth as he arrives as well.
yes,
We got one!
on time, everything.
One down.
So the boys are in the back of the plane.
Okay. Adam made it.
I don't know how.
5. We got one more. And Seth made it. Welcome.
Did that weird thing where they built the overpass with the curvy roads for absolutely no reason.